Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook screen resolution. So step 1, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Here, look for Displays. And here you will see a list of the available resolutions that you can select. Unfortunately, when I change my screen resolution, the video recording stops automatically, so I can't click on one of them to show you the difference. But what is important is that you may see those resolutions on like this list, or in this way. Let me show you, or using icons like this. As you see, this is the default resolution for my laptop. You can get more space and you can get larger text. If you want to see the resolutions, screen resolutions as a list, click on Advanced, and here next to show resolution as a list, enable this option, click on Done, and you will see them as a resolution. And if you want to see, if you are not sure between two resolutions, you can still click on show all resolutions, or enable it like this, and you will see a more detailed list of resolutions. And this is how to change your MacBook screen resolution. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.